Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is all about how to use Markdown in Trello cards, a necessary skill for everyone in the digital workspace. Let's dive in. The first step is to open Trello and navigate to the card where you want to use Markdown. This is important because Trello cards are where all the information and collaboration happens in your project. Now that we've done that, let's move to step 2. Click on the card and then click on the Add a Comment box. Here's where Markdown comes in. Markdown is a tool that helps you format your text, making it easier to read and more visually appealing. The reason we do this is to provide clear and concise information. For instance, if you want to make a text bold, you just need to surround your text with 2 asterisks, like this. Bold. This helps us because it emphasizes key points and helps your team members quickly understand the important parts of your message. Next up, you can create bullet points by using a hyphen or a plus sign before your text. Let me explain why this matters. Bullet points are great for breaking down complex information into manageable, easy-to-understand pieces. It's as simple as typing task 1 or plus task 2. But what if you want to create a link? That's our third step. You do this by putting the text you want to become a link in square brackets, followed by the URL in parentheses, like this. http://www.google.com. This helps us because links can provide additional resources or direct team members to relevant information. Finally, to wrap up our tutorial, remember that all your Markdown formatting will only appear after you post the comment, so don't worry if you don't see the formatting while you're typing. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to use Markdown in Trello cards. Now, you can create dynamic, engaging, and informative cards to streamline your projects and collaborations. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.